Hello everybody, I am following this tutorial on learning this modeling this robot, and I found out that you can miss some of the naming for the model, and in the shading part you can deduce the name of or see the names of the parts within this part, but I thought of you know, put all the naming in one place to share with you and to collaborate with, like make it easier for any. Well, I don't know. It is already easier with this amazing tutorial this person has created. But here we are. So this is called antenna. Antenna. Look at this. Let's begin from here. So this is the tire. If you are in the modeling part, you might want to get the naming correct for the rigging part. So this is the tire. This is barrel. Axle. Actually, I don't know. Clevis and rod, body. Maybe this is like quite obvious for you, but I didn't see this in, okay, let's continue. Now this in the left hand, this is called shoulder one, joint shoulder one .l, because it will be replicated with these same names in the right side, in the right hand. And this is joint shoulder 2.l, upper arm.l. This is joint elbow 2.l. I will probably write this for you. I don't know, joint elbow.l, forearm.l, wrist.l, palm.l. And in here, there you can follow any order you want, but I wanted to go with like about the downside. The joint finger 1.l, joint finger 2.l, joint finger 3.l, 4, 5, and 6, joint finger 6. This is the last one. Then finger 1, finger 2, finger 3.l, finger 4, finger 5, finger 6.l, and these are replicated on the right hand. The same kin. Finger 6.r. Okay. Now the neck. Neck. Okay. Then the head. Okay. Face. And antenna. These are built by two meshes in the modeling part, but it will became one at the end. I suppose this is one. So hopefully someone find this useful. Thank you very much, and see you in any other video. Bye. And by the way, thanks to the creator of this video. This is amazing. Thank you very much. Bye.